Heart attacks and strokes are among the leading causes of death and disability in America. If you have a heart attack or stroke, your health insurance will cover the emergency care, but it will not cover the financial impact of recovery, the rehabilitation, the lost wages, the lifestyle changes, and the ongoing medical care that follows. Today, I'm going to show you what heart attack and stroke insurance is, what it covers, and why many Texas families use it as critical specialized protection. Let me start with the reality. Heart disease is the leading cause of death in America. Stroke is the 5th leading cause. 1 in 5 deaths is caused by heart disease. That means 1 in 3 Americans will experience a heart attack or stroke in their lifetime. For many, it's a wake-up call, but the financial impact lasts years. A heart attack can cost $50,000 to $150,000 in emergency care. A major stroke can cost $100,000 to $250,000 or more. That is a massive burden for any family. Your health insurance will cover the emergency room visit, the hospital stay, the cardiac catheterization, and the doctor's fees. But here's what it does not cover: your hospital deductible, your rehabilitation costs, and your lost wages during recovery. It also misses home health care, lifestyle modifications, and the mental health counseling needed after such a traumatic event. Heart attack and stroke insurance is specialized supplemental coverage that pays you a lump sum benefit if you are diagnosed. When you are diagnosed, your policy pays you typically $5,000 to $25,000, depending on the plan you choose. You can use that money however you need to cover your deductible, replace lost wages, or help your family with expenses while you recover. Let's look at a real-world situation. James is 62 and a successful business owner. He has health insurance, but he's had high blood pressure for years. One afternoon, he has severe chest pain and is rushed to the hospital. He is diagnosed with a heart attack and needs a stent. His health insurance covers the medical care, but his recovery takes 4 months. He cannot work and loses $75,000 in business income. His rehabilitation and medications cost another $15,000. His family is stressed about finances during the most critical time. But James had heart attack and stroke insurance paying $25,000. That helps his family survive the income loss and focus on his recovery. This is specialized insurance because it covers a specific health crisis, a cardiac or cerebrovascular event. It's not general coverage. It's about the specific financial impact of these events. It works with your health insurance to cover the gaps that otherwise would fall on you. Heart attack and stroke insurance is surprisingly affordable. Depending on your age and health profile, you might pay very little for a lot of peace of mind. For example, you might pay $20 to $70 monthly for a $15,000 benefit. A 60-year-old might pay just $45. That's $540 per year. When you consider a stroke could cost $150,000, that is a smart investment. Heart attack and stroke insurance is most important for people who have risk factors like high blood pressure, cholesterol, or diabetes. It's also critical if you have a family history or if you are the primary wage earner whose family depends on your income. Here is what cannot be quantified in dollars: the peace of mind. You can focus entirely on recovery, not on how you will survive financially. You don't have to choose between rehabilitation and paying your mortgage. That security during a frightening time is invaluable. If you want to protect your family, call or text me at 956-455-1313. The consultation is completely free. And if this video was helpful, please subscribe and hit the bell. I post new content every week for Texas families in English and Spanish. In the next video, I'll show you critical illness insurance. I'm Antonio Espino with Espino Insurance Group, and I'll see you in the next video.